Good evening, sir.
Good evening all.
Good evening.
Good evening all.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. So let us wait for 5 minutes. So sharp 6:50 I shall start the class.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, let us start 11th concept. Okay. If A plus B equals to 135 degrees or 315, then okay, first one 1 minus tan A multiplied with 1 minus tan B equals to 2. Second, 1 plus cot A times 1 plus cot B equals to 2. Third, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals to 2 tan A tan B. Two tan A tan B. So yesterday we have discussed A plus B is equal to 45 degrees or 225 degrees. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. So 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B is equal to 2. 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is equal to 2 cot A cot B. But if A plus B is equal to 135 degrees or 315 degrees, then
1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B is equal to 2.
1 plus cot A
equals to 2.
1 minus
1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2 tan A tan B. 2 tan A.
2 tan A tan B.
Okay, next.
Tan B.
Yes, 12th one. 12th one. So yesterday some of the you are expressed this formula also. Sine of a plus b plus c. Sine of a plus b plus c. Sine of a plus b plus c is sine a sine b, sine a sine b, cos c, cos c, okay, plus cos a sine b cos c, cos c. Next plus cos a cos b sin c, sin c, minus sin a sin b sin c, sin a sin b sin c.
Completed.
Okay, next second one. Second one, cos of a plus b plus c. Cos of a plus b plus c. Cos of a plus b plus c. Cos of a plus
Cos A cos B cos C minus cos A sin B sin C minus sin A sin A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B cos C.
okay. Cos a cos b cos c
Cos
minus cos a
minus cos A sin B sin C
sin b sin c. Right. Next minus
minus sin A cos B sin C
sin a cos b sin c
minus sin A sin B cos C.
minus sin a sin b
Sin B cos C.
cos c. Yes, but don't remember this formula, but leave it. But if necessary, so let us make use of this formula. But tan of a plus b plus c is very important. That is very important. But you need to remember tan of a plus b plus c. That's very, very important. So third one, tan of a plus b plus c.
Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A 1 minus of tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan
Repeat.
tan A plus tan B plus tan
C minus tan A tan B tan C by 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan of tan B.
C minus tan C.
Okay, now I read out. Please, all of you mute yourself. I read out. Tan of a plus b plus c is equal to. So I will show the first page later. Don't worry. So tan of a plus b plus c is equal to tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a tan b tan c upon 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. So this can be written very simple manner. We can remember. So instead of saying tan a plus tan b plus tan c, we can say sigma tan a. Sigma means summation. Tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus, this is pi. Pi means multiplication. That is cyclic multiplication. Tan a tan instead of tan a tan b tan c, pi tan a write down. And one more interesting thing is 1 minus, take if you take minus common, tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a. That we can write sigma tan a tan b. And one more way also we can remember. Please note down. So don't write anything on the screen. So please rub it out. That one. Note write down. So what is the note means? Let us say S1 equals to sigma tan A. Sigma tan A. S2 is equal to sigma tan A tan B. So S3 is equal to pi tan A. If you remember this one, S1 is sigma tan A, S2 is sigma of tan A tan B, S3 is pi tan A, then this formula can be written very simple manner, S1 minus S3
minus S3
upon 1 minus S2.
1 minus S2.
1 minus S2.
Very simple way to remember. S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. But you need to remember this one. This notation is very important. Okay. Tan of A plus B plus C is equal to S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. You remember like that only. So very simple manner. Okay, now, so let us move to,
Cot of A plus B plus C.
it's not necessary.
Cot of A plus B plus.
Is not necessary, leave it, no problem. So now important results. Important results. Important results. So in that first one, if A plus B plus C is equal, this is very important. If A plus B plus C is equal to n pi, that means multiple of integral multiples of pi, this is called. N belongs to integer. N belongs to integer. Okay, n belongs to integer. Then, so here we have the first point. What is the first point need to be discussed here? So that is first point is sigma tan A equals to pi tan A. What do you mean by this one? What do you mean by this one? What do you mean by this one? Or we can say like this, S1 is equal to S3. See, if A plus B plus C is equal to pi, 180 degrees. If A plus B plus C is equal to 360. So S1 is equal to S3 means tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. So that is the case you will be getting. Sigma tan A means tan A plus tan B plus tan C.
Tan C.
Equals to product of these three. Tan A into tan B into tan C.
Tan C.
Yes. Or simply you can remember S1 is equal to S3. This is S1, this is S3. Okay, now second formula. Second one. This is very interesting. Sigma cot A into cot B is also 1. So that means cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A is equal to 1. This is the meaning. Shortly we can write sigma notation. Sigma means summation, you remember. Summation. Sigma means summation. Pi means repeat multiplication, that is multiplication, and also cyclic multiplication. Cyclic multiplication. Right. So completed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 So in this second property we need to discuss. If A plus B plus C is equal to odd multiples of pi by 2. Odd multiples means 2n plus 1 is the odd number. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Or pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 and so on like that. Here n is an integer. N belongs to Z. So then we have the following. So what is that one? First one is sigma tan A tan B equals to 1. Second property we can discuss, sigma cot A equals to pi cot A. Okay, what do you mean by this one? What do you mean by this one? Tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equals to 1. If you expand this one, what do you get? Cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. Clear? Enough?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
we shall move to the important standard trigonometric ratios.
Sir, the before.
1 minute.
Sir, open. Sir, another.
Computer.
Please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Nana. Some standard results. So these results we need to remember. So first result we can remember, sine 75 degrees.
Root
Sine
3 plus
7
1 by 2 root 2, sir.
root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This also equal to cos 15. Both have the same value. Because if you add 75 and 15, you will be getting 90. So both are same. Second is next sine 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2.
That is equal to cos 75 degrees.
Cos 75 degrees. Cos 75.
Cos 75 degrees. Next we have tan 75 degrees. Tan
2
75
plus
degrees.
root 3, sir. 2 plus
Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 or 2 plus root 3. This is equal to cot 15 also.
15.
Cot,
Cot 15 degrees.
yes. Cot 75 degrees equals to
2 minus root 3, sir.
root 3
That
minus
equals
1
to
by
tan
root
15
plus 1.
degrees, sir.
Tan 15 degrees.
2 minus root 3. This
That is equal to tan 15 degrees.
tan 15 degrees.
Tan.
Okay, next fifth point, that is cosecant 75 degrees. Cosecant 75 degrees is equal to reciprocal of sine 1 by sine 75, 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1.
2 root 3.
2
2
root
root 2 by root 3 plus
2
1.
root 2 by root 3 plus
That is root 6 plus root 2 by rationalization. This is equal to secant 15 degrees. Okay, next one is cosecant 15 degrees. Cosecant 15 is equal to, very simple, root 6 minus root 2. This is also equal to secant 75 degrees. So these results you need to remember. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us move to the problems
sir.
now. Let us start the problems. Right. So first problem. Sine 40 degrees, 35 minutes. Cos 19 degrees, cos 19 degrees, 25 minutes, plus cos 40 degrees, 35 minutes, sine 19 degrees 25 minutes is equals to first option 1,
Sir,
second
once can
option
you show the before page?
root 3 upon 2, third one is 0, fourth option -1.
0.
0, sir.
0. Okay. So my dear students, first of all, say this is A, this is A, this is B. Now this is A, this is B. So now this solution, see, it appears to be sin A cos B plus cos A sin.
Sin B.
So what will you say about this value? This is nothing but sin of A plus B. Am I correct or not? A plus
Yes, sir.
B. A plus B
Yes.
means these two angles are added together. 40 degrees 35 minutes plus 19 degrees
95 minutes.
25 minutes.
Do 3 or 2, sir. Option 2.
Wait, Nana, wait 1 minute. 5 plus 5, 10, 60 minutes. This is 59 degrees. My dear students, remember 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So 59 degrees, 60 minutes is equal to 59 plus 1 degree. This becomes 60 degrees. So
Degrees.
equals to, we can write sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. So which is the right option now, tell me?
Second
Option
option. Second.
Second option. It's clear? I think all of you
Yes.
understand
Yes,
well
sir.
about this.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Shall I move to second question now?
Complete.
Complete.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second question. Okay, cos of n plus 1 times alpha, cos of n minus 1 times alpha, plus sin of n plus 1 times alpha. Next, sin of n minus 1 times alpha equals to first option cos 2n alpha, cos 2n alpha. Second is sin 2n alpha. Third, cos 2 alpha. Fourth one is sin 2 alpha. So what will you say about this problem? So
Option 1, sir.
which formula do you apply?
Option 1.
Which formula do you apply? See, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. So what will you say about this one? Now the given expression is cos A, cos B, plus
Plus sin.
sin A.
Plus sin.
Sin.
Sin B.
This is the actually converse of cos of A minus B formula. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This is cos of sin A,
A
sin,
minus.
whose value equal to cos of A minus B. Okay, let us find out A minus B. So what is A here? A equals to n plus 1 times
N
alpha.
plus
That is
1
n
into
alpha
alpha.
plus alpha. B equals to n alpha minus alpha. A minus B. A minus B means n alpha plus alpha minus n alpha, minus into minus plus alpha. N alpha cancel. We have 2 alpha. That means instead of A minus B, 2 alpha we can replace. So we get cos 2 alpha. What is the answer? Third option is the right answer.
Third option.
Third option.
Clear?
Third option.
Clear, Nana?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Even everybody will understand, even new viewers also, they will understand the concept. Simply based on formula itself only. If 0 degrees less than theta, theta less than pi by 2. That means theta lies in the first quadrant. All trigonometric ratios are positive. You remember that one. And 2 sine theta equals to root 3 times cos 10 degrees plus sine 10 degrees. Then theta equals to, theta lies in the first quadrant, means it must be in between 0 to pi by 2 only. 70. Second option is 50. Third option is 60. Fourth option is 40. Right. So one thing, if you are able to write the right hand side in the form of sine of a plus b, then sine theta is equal to sine of a plus b, theta is equal to a plus b. So a value, b value will be obtained, and by adding and a and b, we get the theta value. So that is my idea. So that means transpose to that side or multiply both sides with 1 by 2. You will get sine theta. See here now. Right. Here, this sine theta is equal to, this can be written root 3 by 2 cos 10 plus 1 by 2 sine 10 we can write. You see, Nana? Here, sine theta is equal to, we can have, but 2 sine theta given, I am writing sine theta value. That is root 3 upon 2 cos 10 plus this is 1 upon 2 sine 10. So if you multiply 2 on both sides, same thing you will get it. But here we should have one idea. What is the idea? The equivalent sine value for root 3 by 2 we need to write. This is equal to sine 60. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
1 by 2
Yes,
is equivalent value of cos.
Yes.
Can I write cos 60?
Cos.
Can I write
Yes, cos 60.
Yes. So that means root 3 by 2 is nothing but sine 60
Sine 60 degrees
cos 10
Plus
plus
cos.
this is cos 60.
plus cos 60 degrees. Sine
Sine.
10 degrees.
It appears to be
degrees.
rather sine
Sine
A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is nothing but sine of A plus B. 60 plus 10. Then
Sine 7.
sine 70 degrees.
Sine
70
70 degrees.
Now what will you say about theta? What will you say about
70 degrees.
that? Implies theta is equal to
70 degrees.
70 degrees. So
Theta
what
is
is the right
equals to
option?
70 degrees.
First option is the right option.
First.
It is clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay. Okay. Shall I move
Completed, sir.
Fourth question. Am I correct? Fourth one only.
Yes, sir.
Tan 40 degrees
Yes.
plus tan 80 degrees minus root 3 times tan 40 tan 80 degrees equals to. First option is root 3. Second option is negative root 3. Third option is 1 upon root 3. Fourth option is negative 1 upon root 3. Okay, what is your answer?
Sir, can you please show before page?
Why not? Why not? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, don't worry. So first it is in the form of tan A plus tan B. I will supply the shortcut. This is the shortcut, but don't use for the board examinations, Nana. You remember. See, the tan A plus tan B is equal to, whenever tan A plus tan B, leave minus root 3 tan 40 tan 80 separate. Only take first term and second term. This tan A plus tan B we can write like this. Tan of A plus B into 1 minus tan A tan B, write down. Then
A tan B.
you will get answer. See, here A means 40. You take only these two terms. Keep minus root 3 tan 40 tan 80 as it is. See, I am going to write the solution. Generally, it is called given expression. Given expression is equal to, instead of tan 40 plus tan 80, I apply this shortcut formula. Tan of A plus B means tan 120. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes.
Or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, 1 minus tan A. Tan A means tan 40 to tan 80.
Tan 80.
And whatever this one, that value write down. That is minus root 3 times tan 40 tan 80. Now you need to find out tan 120 value. What is the value of tan 120? Tan 120 is equal to, don't worry, tan of 180 minus 60. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
180 minus theta is second quadrant. All silver teacups. Add sugar to coffee. All students.
Minus.
Yes. Minus tan 60. That is minus root 3.
Minus.
Instead of this minus root 3, you can write minus root 3 multiplied with 1 minus
1 minus tan 40 degrees tan 80 degrees.
next.
Minus root 3 tan 40 degrees tan 80 degrees.
Next, what will you do? Open the bracket. Now open the bracket. What do you get now? Negative root 3.
Minus root 3
Positive.
plus root 3
tan 40
tan 80 degrees.
Minus root 3 tan 40 degrees
Minus
tan 80
root 3
degrees
tan 80
plus root
degrees.
3 tan 40 degrees tan 80 degrees and minus root 3 tan 40 degrees tan 80 degrees.
Right. Then what do you get? Both will cancel out.
Minus root 3 answer.
Minus root 3 answer.
See, very interesting. Second option is the right option.
Completed, sir.
Complete.
Okay. What is the today's first page? This one? This one?
No.
Yeah, no. Here onwards. First page, I think so. This is the today's first page. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again, go through all of you. So all of you just unmute yourself. It may
If
disturb
A
me.
plus B equals to 1.
If a plus b equals to
If A plus
135
B
degrees
equals to
or
135 degrees or
315
315 degrees, then 1 minus
Then
tan A
1
into
minus
1 minus tan B is equals to 2. 1 plus 40 into 1 minus
1 plus
2 plus
40
A
into 1 plus 4 b equals to 2. 1 plus tan a 1 plus 2
tan
tan
A.
a tan a
Sin of A plus B plus C is equals to 2.
sin a sin b cos
Cos C plus cos A sin B cos C plus cos A cos B.
Right. Okay.
Enough.
Don't read out the formula. Just only briefly you read out this one. Tan of A plus B, A plus B plus C.
Tan
You are completed.
Tan of A plus B.
Tan of A plus B plus C.
Now don't read out all these things. So next is important result.
tan a equals to 5 tan.
Yes.
Tan A.
is equal to 5
Sigma
tan.
tan A.
Tan
Sigma
A is equal to
Sigma cot a cot b equals
cot B equals to 1.
Sigma tan A
sigma
tan B.
tan a tan b equals to 1. Sigma cot a equals to 5 cot a.
Sin 75 degrees is equal to
Sin
root 3 plus 1 by 2
Sin
that
75
is
degrees is
equal
equals
to
to
cos
root 3
15
plus
degrees.
1 by 2
equals
so
to
is equals
cos
to cos
15
50
minus
sin 50
minus 1 by
degrees is
2
tan
equals to
75 degrees is
minus
equals
1
to
by 2
cos
root 2 is
50
equals to cos 45 degrees tan 75 degrees is equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2 3 minus 1 is equals to plus 3 is it is equals to cos 15 cos 75 degrees is equals
75 degrees is equals to
to
root
3
3
minus 1 root 3
plus
plus 1 is equals to minus
minus 4 that is equals to tan 15 degrees.
15 degrees.
Okay.
Problem.
I will give the one homework problem to you. Just try it at home. Or if you know answer, now you can say no problem. Tan 100 degrees plus tan 125 degrees. Unmute yourself. Tan 100 degrees multiplied with tan 125 degrees equals to first option, second option 1, third option 1 upon root 3. Unmute yourself. I'm getting disturbance. Unmute yourself. Pallavi, unmute yourself. Pallavi. Pallavi.
Sir.
Unmute yourself. So fourth one is 1 upon 2. Right. See, you leave this one. This is tan A plus tan B. I already given the clue here. Tan A plus tan B is equal to tan of A plus B into 1 minus tan A tan B. Apply this one, this shortcut. This is called actually tip itself only. Very simple tip. Applying this tip, you can solve this problem. So try yourself.
Sir, answers show 19th page, 20 page, sir.
This is 20, this is 19. So now fifth problem. See the solution. Given expression is equal to tan of A plus B.
Answer 1, sir. 2.
125 plus 100. Tan 225.
tan 220
25 degrees.
Yes.
Tan 225 degrees.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
5 into, you can write 1 minus
minus
1 minus
1
tan
minus
tan
tan
120
tan 125 degrees.
plus tan 100 degrees tan 120.
Yes. So my dear students, remember tan 225 is tan 225 degrees is equal to tan
1, sir.
180 plus theta is third quadrant. Tan positive. Tan remains tan. That is 1.
Positive.
1, sir.
Yes.
1,
sir.
Yes.
1 into 1. 1 minus tan 100 degrees tan 125 plus
Tan
1
125 degrees plus tan 100 degrees tan 125 degrees.
minus
will get
tan 100
degrees,
tan
then 1.
125 plus tan 100 tan 125 cancel, sir. 1 remains.
Tan
is 1.
tan 100 tan 125 cancel.
Tan 125.
1. Answer is 1.
One answer.
Completed, sir.
Sir, another problem gives.
Okay. 6th question.
Give us homework problems.
Yes.
Yes,
Tan
sir.
225 degrees